Chef Anthony here today. So excited. I'm cooking on the XO wood-fired pizza oven. I'm gonna make a great pepperoni calzone over here. So got some dough stretched. Let's show you how this one goes. All right, let's take our dough. We're just gonna stretch it out just nice and easy right here. Give it a little tack, tack, tack. And I have some low moisture mozzarella. I'm gonna actually put a couple logs of this down, okay? Make it a little bit different for the calzone. I'm gonna shave this down. So check this pepperoni, we'll shave that just like that. We'll put a piece in there, but like this, so it doesn't roll. I'm gonna get some nice big pieces and have some fun with this. Behind me, I have the XO pizza oven preheated. It's over 850 degrees. We got some logs on it. It's raging and ready to roll. So that's fun. And this is gonna be outstanding. Press it all in. Let's add a little bit of sauce. You can add a little ricotta. You could do whatever you want there, mushrooms, the whole nine, but we're just going cheese, meat, and we're gonna put a little bit of sun-dried tomatoes in there. Right on top, just to give it a little sweetness, a little feel. All right, stretch it. We're gonna tuck it in just like this, and make sure it's nice and flat. See how it's flat like that? Make sure we're not sticking. Key though, let's put our knife in here. We need some venting. See that? It's really gonna prevent everything from really expanding and rising. Dough peel. We'll put this right on. Uh-oh, little stickage. It's hot out today. All right, fire this right in the oven. And we'll let it do its course. I got it right in the center, but in a few minutes we're gonna put it to the left side because it's a little bit cooler, just to kind of carry over cook, right? There you go, give it a nice turn. Check that out. A few minutes, great, nice little calzone. It's gonna be really hot, but great crust. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at the big cheese chunks in there. Cooked all the way through. Whew. I don't know how I'm gonna eat this, but I'll try my best. Done on the XO pizza oven right now. Very good.